Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at the feature of AI product images. Okay, this will allow you to use Artistically to upload or use using your pre-existing images you may have, or maybe your client has sent you an image of an object, whether it's a teddy bear, bag, a bottle, a flask. And these are just a few examples, okay? So you can just imagine any object you may have, you can actually upload. And what it'll do, it'll reframe that object onto any other environment. So essentially you're changing the background and you can designate where you want that object placed, okay? So over time, you can actually train this up to do exactly what you want it to do. So you can upload an image. For this, let's go ahead and select a personal design. And now once you select choose design, it will connect and link with the personal design section. And I've got some examples here that I've done before. You got to look at a mug there, for example. I trained it to put it onto a vehicle. Let's have a look. So you can see that mug there. Okay, but for this example, let's have a look. Let's go for this bag right here. So I want to take this bag. So you can imagine merchandise, objects, whatever it may be. You can just take that object, and now step 2 has now appeared. So now I need to train the AI. So I can select from a number of different dimensions. But always remember, once your design has been created, we also have that ability, okay, to go to the advanced AI editor, where we can expand the scene and make other necessary adjustments using the advanced editor that we have also in the advanced section. Okay, so I'm going to keep it this for the purpose of this demonstration. Let's keep this as one by one. And you can see example on the kitchen table. Let's just simply go and do that on the kitchen table. Okay, and simply select generate design. Now that will start processing, and it will redirect us to the personal design section. Okay, so we'll give this a few moments for it to process, and then we will return. Okay, so now we have returned to the personal design section, and let's have a look. Okay, so here you can see the item is on the kitchen table. So it's taken our object here, this bag, like so, and now it has transferred it onto a completely brand new platform or a different environment, as we have specifically instructed it to. So this essentially is the power of using the AI product images. And you can imagine you can do this for all types of purposes or objects that you create. And you can do this as many times as you want. So, I've got the mug there. I can replace that, put that on a vehicle, top of the mountain. Okay, so you can do amazing stuff. Okay. So you've got a whole choice. So that's how you would use this particular feature. Okay, so whether it's bottles, if you want to reposition, put it on top of a mountain, if you want to put it into a store, maybe you want to put it on a shelf, maybe you want to put it in the business office, okay, etc., or maybe you want to place it into a completely new destination, a different country, whatever location it be, something unique, like I've put a mug on top of the mountain. That's exactly what you would do. So again, go to select personal designs, choose the item that you want to use, you want to upload. So here we have another bag here. Simply go to select dimensions and then just place it wherever you want. For this, let's say on the roof of a car. Okay, and then simply generate designs, and then you are good to go. And that's how you would use AI product images. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this short tutorial, and you can go ahead now and test out this amazing feature. And remember, you can use this as many times as you want, and in order basically to create the perfect environment and make different variations, so you can actually choose from what you like the most. If that also, you have that ability, if you're working with clients, that you can also show them different variation different variations, and then they can kind of pick and choose which one they like the most. Okay.